at the balls, mommy. The balls. Get the balls. Thank you. Thank you. One for me. One for you.
All right.
Lydia, ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3, up and slam dunk. Whoa! Good girl.
Jayla, grab a ball.
Yeah.
Grab a ball. Thank you, sweetie.
I guess I don't get any.
Come here, Jayla. Go with Jessica. Put it in there. Look.
Come here, Jayla. Come here.
Put it in the hole. Yeah, put it in there. Put it in there.
Coming. Ready, Lydia? Whoosh! Up. Nice. All right, Jayla's turn. Ready?
Do the same.
Whee! Got it?
Put it in there, mommy.
To go.
Put it in there.
Whoa! Good basket. Good girl. Yay!
Justin's getting her workout
Right.
today.
I'll just sit here.
And everybody wonders how I've lost 30 pounds. You want to throw that one in? Whoop!